be here today to witness the baptism of these 16 candidates because their faith and their desire, the dedication, the decision to follow Jesus. And we're here to witness their baptism and be part of this. Now because Aggie and Paige, the two sisters, because they are trusting in Jesus, they desire to follow Jesus, we as the ordained minister of Seventh-day Adventist Church want to baptize them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.